Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to clean an old mud water pot. First, carefully remove any loose debris and standing water from inside your pot. Next, take a stiff brush and vigorously scrub away any dried mud from both the interior and exterior surfaces. Finally, give the pot a good rinse with plain water to wash away all the larger dirt particles. This initial step is crucial for preparing your pot for a deeper clean. Now, let's tackle those tougher stains and odors. Mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water to form a thick paste. Apply this paste generously to all discolored or stained areas of your mud pot, ensuring good coverage. Allow the baking soda paste to sit on the pot for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour to effectively break down grime and neutralize smells. This natural solution is very effective. After the baking soda has worked its magic, it's time for some scrubbing. Using a non-abrasive sponge or a soft brush, vigorously scrub all surfaces of the pot, focusing on any areas where stains still persist. Once you've scrubbed thoroughly, rinse the pot completely under running water. Ensure all traces of the baking soda paste and loosened dirt are washed away, leaving your pot sparkling clean and ready for its next use. The final step is proper drying and storage. Allow your freshly cleaned mud pot to air dry completely in a well-ventilated area, ideally for at least 24 hours. It is essential that absolutely no moisture remains, as this prevents the growth of mold or mildew. Once fully dry, store your pot in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its condition for many years to come. Enjoy your clean pot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.